Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some smart dimmable LED light bulbs. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing some smart LED light bulbs from the company Teckin, and this model is actually the SB60. And I think in our case we have 4 different LED light bulbs, and the great thing about this LED light bulb is there's so many features you can do with it. You know, you can control it with an application, you can use Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. There's like millions of different colors you can produce with this smart LED light bulb, and there's just a huge list of so many things you can do with this smart LED light bulb. But before we get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts to know when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like, as that keeps me updated and also informs me if you guys are enjoying my tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message and we can potentially work together on a future product review, or also if you guys need any photo assistance, you guys can do so by contacting me through that email address. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about these smart LED light bulbs, there will be product information and also the link to purchase down below in the description for you guys to check out and also get more information about this smart LED light bulb. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, on the front of the box, there's a few specifications and details about this smart LED light bulb. And as I spin it around, you guys can see there's a few specifications and details on the side of the box. So right now what we're going to do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. As you guys can see on the top of the box, it just says Teckin, and as I flip it onto this side, you guys can see it says LED smart bulb. This is SB60, and you guys can see there's a picture of the LED smart light bulb. You guys can see, I think this is actually a E27 model, but you can get different sizes. There's 4 different pieces, and it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Moving on to this side, you guys can see it says Wi-Fi connection, app control, voice control, energy saving, dimmable, timeable function, and also some lightning facts. And then on this side, we get some specifications and details. You guys can take a pause and read that if you're interested. And then on this side, we get a QR code where you guys can use to actually install the application on the iOS Apple Store or on Google Play, depending on your device that you're using. So all that's left to do now is actually proceed to unbox this smart LED light bulb. So let me open it up. And you guys can see we are greeted with 4 different LED light bulbs. Up, we do get a warranty registration card, and you can even get some, some gifts from the company. I'm gonna put it off to the side. And then we also get a user manual that you guys can use and utilize to actually get more information about this smart LED light bulb. And I do recommend you guys actually read this user manual, especially if it's your first time setting up this product. But you guys can see inside the box, we do get 4 individual LED light bulbs. I'm gonna pull one out and you guys can see it looks really nice. It's not even made out of glass, so if I drop it, it's not gonna break or anything, which is really good and durable. So if I even drop it like this, it just kind of bounces in place. But do be careful because you don't want to actually break the LED lights that are inside. But it is durable because it's made out of plastic and not made out of glass. In fact, I can actually squish the top part, so that's really good. But this is how the LED light bulb looks like. It looks really nice and modern. You get some, information on the side right here, and you get the E27 ports that you guys need to use to actually plug into your light bulb ports, if you know what I mean. But yeah, we do get 4 of them, and yeah, so basically all that's left to do now, is move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. Right now, what we're gonna do is actually test out these Teckin smart LED light bulbs. So, in our case, you guys can see I only have 3 slots available. So we're gonna be using 3 Teckin smart LED light bulbs in this video. And what I'm gonna do is actually connect them to my power source. So let's actually open up the Smart Life application. And this is where we're gonna actually connect all these 3 smart LED light bulbs and actually be able to manipulate them and do all sorts of fun tricks and colorful designs with them. So let's go in and click on that blue plus mark on the top right corner, go into lighting, and then click on lighting on the very first one. It's gonna show you a few steps. All you have to do is click on next, click next, click next, and what we need to do is confirm that the indicator is rapidly blinking. So we click on next, and we can confirm that. It's gonna ask you for your Wi-Fi credentials and passwords, so just put those details in, click on next, and now it is adding the devices. And hopefully it's gonna add all 3 of these LED light bulbs together so that we don't have to do this process 3 times, but it looks like it may be. Oh, but we have one that's flashing, so I don't know what that means. We got 2 that became steady white. One is flashing, so we might have to reconnect that one then. But I think we got at least 2 of them, but let's wait and see. Okay, Smart Bulb and Smart Bulb 2 has connected successfully. So I think we do need to redo this one. So let me click and add this one real quick. Okay, I think we got it this time, but it looks like we got Smart Bulb 3, Smart Bulb 4, and also Smart Bulb 5 instead of, 1, 2, and 3. So I did have to reconnect it, but we should be good to go now. It's gonna ask me to install a new firmware, but we are gonna skip that part. You guys can increase and decrease the color temperature. So you guys can see this one is a lot more, I should say cold. And you guys can see I can also make it a very, very warm kind of light. But I'm gonna actually go in. You can even go in and actually decrease the brightness, increase the brightness to your desired positioning. But what I'm gonna do is actually set all of these lights to the coolest setting. So you can see we have all the lights at the coolest setting. So what we're gonna do now is actually manipulate a few of these light bulbs. We're gonna start with one of them. So you guys can see this one's actually the one in the back. We have red. You guys can go in and customize these colors to your desired color. You can go in and manipulate all these colors to whatever you want. And I gotta say, the color is pretty accurate from what I see on the application and what I see in real life. So that is really nice to see. And I can go in and increase and decrease the brightness as I was showing you guys earlier. You can also increase and decrease the saturation. But let's actually go in and actually manipulate a few of these at the same time. So I'm gonna put this one at red, or this looks like a pink. Let me go in to Smart Bulb 3. And we're gonna change this one to, let's do blue for this one. So you guys got red, we got pink, and we also got white. And let's set this one to, I don't know, let's do green, or like a light blue. So you guys can see we got pink on this one, we got blue, and we also got like a nice turquoise or like a seafoam blue on that smart LED light bulb. So you guys can go in and manipulate all these smart LED light bulbs to the desired colors and different patterns and all sorts of things with these LED light bulbs and this application. You guys can also go in and customize these themes, so that this application has a few themes that you guys can actually go in and actually switch these smart LED light bulbs onto. Currently we're testing out the one that's actually in the middle. So you guys can see this is night mode. We got reading, and you guys can see it's a very nice, bright, warm light that you guys can use when you're reading books and all sorts of things. We got a working mode, and this is kind of like a white, very nice white light. We got leisure, so you guys can use this when you're just kind of hanging out with the family or just having fun. We also got soft, and I'm pretty sure this is going to fade in and fade out, but you can also customize what color you want this to actually be. We also got colorful. This is going to jump through various different colors. You guys can see it's red, now it's green, and now it's going to switch into blue, and I'm pretty sure it's going to switch into orange or yellow, and then just going to keep on going with various different colors. We also got dazzling. Dazzling is similar to the mode we just tested out, but I don't know if it's a lot smoother or faster or what exactly the difference is. We also got gorgeous mode, which is going to be this one right here. and you guys can see it kind of fades in and fades out to all the various different colors. In fact, why not, let's actually set every single one to the gorgeous mode real quick so I can show you guys how they all look like. So you guys can see we currently have all 3 smart LED light bulbs to the gorgeous setting, and let me just say the colors really look nice and presentable with these smart LED light bulbs. The colors that this smart LED light bulb is giving off just looks really fantastic, and I gotta say that the colors are very true with these smart LED light bulbs, and it just looks really nice and appealing to look at. And you guys can use this in a party atmosphere and just get the whole room in a nice kind of ambient kind of lighting, so you guys can use for your events and gatherings with people, and kind of just make the whole area just feel more welcoming and just a nicer kind of, I don't know, just setup. You know, if you have some of these lights laying around at a party, you can definitely change up the whole mood and atmosphere of the whole style party. So if you guys really want to do that, you can use these smart LED light bulbs to get that kind of effect. And I can even, people who do video work or do all sorts of you know, things with lights and stuff, you guys can utilize these smart LED light bulbs to get some very nice backgrounds for your photo shoots and video shoots and whatnot. So that's what I like about these smart LED light bulbs. I do need to mention you can go in and set schedules and timers, so you guys can go in and add a schedule. So if you want these smart LED light bulbs to turn on at a certain time, you guys can do so with a schedule. You can also set a timer. So right now, if I wanted this to turn off in 1 minute, I can go in and make it turn one of these smart LED light bulbs off in a minute. But we're just gonna reset that. And if you wanted to, all you need to do to turn off these smart LED light bulbs is you just click on the power button. You guys can see they're all turning off one by one. And you guys can go in and turn this one back on, turn it on, and turn every single one back on, and you guys can see they're both on as if, you know, nothing ever happened. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about these smart LED light bulbs from the company Teckin? I feel like this is a fantastic smart LED light bulb. You know, the lights are very vibrant with these smart LED light bulbs, and in our case, we did review the SV60 model. You know, I just love the application so much. You know, you can set timers, you can change the colors, and do all sorts of things with the application. And honestly, these light bulbs did a fantastic job. You know, they performed really well, and I love that I can control them and, you know, turn them on and off at any given moment. And then the, you know, additional Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa compatibility, it makes this smart LED light strip, not light strip, LED light bulb, you know, just a very nice LED light bulb to, you know, check out and make a purchase if you guys are interested. But we are going to end off this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this smart LED light bulb, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I receive. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and hit that like button, as that just keeps me informed and updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to work with us, or if you guys need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can contact me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys want to get more information, also the link to purchase this product, there'll be product information and links down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information about this smart LED light bulb. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.